John Vinson with the mill. We're up here at Winter Farm this afternoon. This is Gary Thomas, he's the owner. I've been working with him on fertility plants and some chemical plants. He's going to give you a little intro about the farm, and then also we're using the drone today. So very exciting.
Hi, I'm Gary Thomas. We've been here since 1961, so we've done all kinds of trees. What we have now is mostly Fraser fir, and we've got about 40,000 trees in the ground, and we're looking for a little better way to be more economical on our spraying, so we're up here looking at the drone spraying today. And we got out here and all the other stuff. Yeah, it would take me 4 hours to do this. All worried about the lower branches, because the scale grows down low. So I'm sure it'll work for fertilizer or a fungicide on Douglas fir, but the cryptomerian scale and the elongated hemlock scale all like those lower branches.
Spiders, right?
Spruce spider mite is a huge one. Cryptomerian scale, elongated hemlock scale is a new one that's coming into Maryland that we don't like, but it's here. And the Douglas firs, they're all the wrap decline kind of stuff, you know, needle cast.
Okay.
You know, so they're, and if you don't spray Douglas firs, you won't have any saleable trees.
Really?
They've got, yeah, they've got wrap decline and then Swiss needle cast.
Huh.
And Swiss needle cast is worse, so you've got to spray them 4 or 5 times every 10 days, 7 to 10 days.
With what, the Daconil?
Yeah, the Bravo weather stick, yeah.
For how long do you have to spray?
Until the needles are fully elongated.
Okay.
So, because what it does is it'll come out and it'll attack the new growth, and then it'll open up the spores, and the new spores then go on. The spores on the old needles will pop open at little gates,
Okay.
and then it'll go on to the new growth, and it'll attack the new growth. But you won't see the damage until
It's too late.
October.
Oh.
And then it all
you
turns
can't fix
brown,
Yeah.
and your whole field's brown.
Without micronutrients, is there?
Oh yeah,
utilization
yeah. Well,
of
like I
that?
said, fertilizer. You know, we could mix up whatever, because I like to come back and spray the fertilizer here when the new growth is about 2 inches. So middle of May and early June, depending, and then come in and do a foliar application, and it wouldn't. The bottom we wouldn't really care.
So I'm Connor Mann from the mill. I'm running the drone program. Yeah, Gary invited me up here today so we can see if this drone spraying in Christmas trees was going to be logical, and we did multiple different tests today with water sensitive paper, with swath width, and how effective that spray is going to get down into the canopy of the tree. And we're very pleased with how the results turned out, and I think we're going to be doing some Christmas tree work here soon.
What do you think, Gary, as compared to your spraying it by hand as compared to the drone?
Well, I think we had good coverage. It's all about coverage, what we wanted to accomplish today, because some of the needs of the Christmas tree grower were to get down to the lower branches, and you needed good coverage for some of the insects that live down there, scale and such. And it worked out really well. We did, I don't know, 4 or 5 different tests, and I've got all the samples to look at, and I'm encouraged, and I think we'll take a shot at it sometime this year.
Well, again, thank you for having us up. You have a beautiful farm. It's, whoever watches this, tremendous Christmas trees here at Winter Farm. Best in the business.
Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the mill. I've been working with a mill now for about the past 15 years, and how I got into it was using my soil samples. I take up to smoke at the Black Horse Mill store, and then we'd get their formulations for the fertilizers to do the new fields. He was great to work with. They've always been helping me out with the rentals of the buggies and everything else. Then John came on board, and I've been working with John with fertilizer and different applications, and now we're out here with drones. So, you know, it's been a really, really successful time working with the mill, and I'd encourage anybody to give them a shot. Thank you.